Namaskar. So today I am going to start the Bharatanatyam Adavus. Adavu, the word is the Tamil word. As you know, this Bharatanatyam dance is from the place called Tamil Nadu, the state called Tamil Nadu of India. So the Adavu is a Tamil word which means unit. So these are all basic steps, small steps like units. We learn these adavus, and when you do the items, we join all the adavus and basic steps and form a beautiful dance. So I am going to start Tattadavu, that is the first set. We have total 8 basic steps in this Tattadavu series. Tatta means tapping or stamping. So tatta adavu. Together we call it Tattadavu. So let's start the first Tattadavu. So we are going to sit in Aramandi, which I taught you in my last session. First open your feet nicely and go to Aramandi. This is the basic posture of Bharatanatyam. Now 1 and 2. So this is the first Tattadavu. In first Tattadavu, you have to tap your right leg one time and then left leg one time. So one more time, let's try. Sit in Aramandi and 1, and the bowl or solukattu for this Adavu is tei ya tei. Tei ya tei, like this it will go. So open your feet and sit. So tei ya tei, tei ya tei, tei ya tei, tei ya tei. So you just notice how I am lifting my leg. So when you sit in Aramandi, please do not lift your thighs part. You fold your leg from knee. You fold it. You fold and lift nicely. It should go and touch your hip. So then you tap nicely. 2, 3, start. 1. Okay, you understand that? See? 1, 2, 3, start. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So I am folding my leg and I am tapping. So and now one more thing, it's very important. When you do these steps, you should not move like this. You should not shift your weight this side and that side. Your weight should be in the center, exactly in the center. So when I am lifting my legs, see, I am not moving. It is difficult, but when you practice for a long time, you will get. The very first itself, you should try not to move this side and that side. You try not to shift your weight. Then you will be like always moving this side, that side. This part, this is your exactly center part of your body. Like from this part, this is the core. From this part to head and this part to your toe, it's almost same distance. Can you see? So this is your exactly the center part of your body. So this part should be very tight and nicely. You have to hold it very tightly and you should not move. And last lesson, I have taught you how to sit in Aramandi properly, keeping your spine straight in one line. So the same technique you follow, you sit and try these adavus. Okay? So one more time, 2, 3, start. Tei ya tei, tei ya tei. So like that it will go. And one more thing, you have to keep pataka hasta and keep it on your waist like this. Okay? And we change the speeds in, like we have 3 speeds. Like first speed, which is very slow, Tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei. Second speed will be little faster. Tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei. In this way. And third speed will be tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei. In this way it will go. And all the adabus we do, for all the adabus we do these 3 speeds and finish. Okay. Now I am going to teach you the number 2. Adabu number 2. In this case you have to tap your right leg 2 times and left leg 2 times. Very easy. Only the difficult part is you have to sit in proper position. Like you have to follow the proper technique. You have to keep your hip inside. You have to hold your core and then sit. Then your dance will become very nice. No problem at all. So following the same rule, following the same technique, that you shouldn't shift your weight, you have to tap 2 times on your right leg, 2 times on your left leg. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, start. Tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei. Understood? The same way, number 3. It is like 1, 2, 3, right leg. 1, 2, 3, left leg. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, start. Tei, ya, tei, ya, tei. Tei, ya, tei, ya, tei. So this is number 3. Number 4 is 4 times right side and 4 times left side. Same way, these are very easy to remember. The difficult part is you have to sit in Naramandi and dance. This is, you might get leg pain. So by practicing you have to get used to with this pain. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is number 4 Tattadavu. Number 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. In this rhythm it will go. I will show you. 1, 2, 3, start.